Yo, what's good, bro? If you don't already know me, I'm kind of like the screen time guy. I'll just show you my screen time real quick. So 10 months ago, I quit everything. I stopped watching, scrolling short form content, YouTube videos, like TV shows, movies, all that stuff. And I was basically struggling for 3 years in a row. So if you don't already know, I have done this for like 9 months at this point. 1 month after quitting, I feel like I kind of got the gist of it. And then I've just been documenting ever since. So if you are struggling with screen time right now and you don't really see a way out, I want to help you one-on-one for free if you would be interested. I won't like go super in depth. I won't like go on a call with you or anything like that. That will take way too much time. But you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Explain your problem to me. I'll drop you a voice message. I'll drop you a message that will help you out. So see this as your opportunity. See this as the flashlight in the dark of the direction. I'm like, yo, bro, you're literally walking that way, bro. Go that way. Go that way. And like, I will like, bro, I look at if you click on the link in the description, you will see my product, right? You can look through all of the testimonials on that. If you don't believe that I can help you, fair enough, fair enough. But I'm telling you, I can help you out. So if you click on the link in the description, you scroll down, there will be like ask a question, a WhatsApp number. You can go ahead and click on that. Once you go onto it, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I can help you out. You will be like, oh yeah, bro, I'm struggling with this, etc. This and that, this and that. And I'll be like, yo, bro, try this, try that, bro. You take it slow, do this, set this challenge for yourself, create a commitment contract, do this, do that. And then you will take some action, you will see some progress. And my ultimate goal will be, okay, bro, I took you from this to this. If you want the full transformation, you can buy the product. And I'm just gonna be honest with you, but I will help you out with this. So if you want some one-on-one advice from me, you can do that. And just to let you know, you knew exactly what you were going into when you clicked on this video. Now you're watching up until this point, and now you're like, oh yeah, I don't want to give my WhatsApp number up. I'm literally the guy behind the camera, and I'm giving my WhatsApp number away because it's not that big of a deal. It's really not that big of a deal. So take this opportunity. You actually clicked on this video. Actually go ahead, scroll to the description, click on the link, scroll down, look for the WhatsApp number, paste that into WhatsApp, send me a message. You can just say like, yo, I came from YouTube. Yo, could you give me some advice? Just something. You could be watching this video right now. 2 minutes from now, you could have already taken the action, which could be life-changing. Like, let's be honest, if you actually fix your screen time, imagine how much different your life would be in the future just from that one single action. And you could do that in 2 minutes. And I'm telling you, at least 90% of the people who are watching this right now will not even take any action. So please be the person that actually takes the action. Please do actually follow through on this. I'm giving you an opportunity where you could actually fix your screen time. So please take advantage of this. I got a little bit passionate there, but please do it. And if you are interested in fixing your screen time completely, you can also send me a message on WhatsApp. I can tell you a bit of information about the product, and then we can get you started with that. So take some action, have a good rest of your day, and see you, brother.